Alright, so this is the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. As you can see, we have the burgundy option, which I think looks great. You have an aluminum frame with Gorilla Glass on the front as well as the back, which is going to give you some great durability, but you definitely want to throw a case on this phone as soon as you can, especially with the curved edges. So one of the most exciting things about this phone is the return of the S Pen. So all of the die-hard Samsung Note users are definitely going to feel at home using this phone. As far as the screen, you're getting a 6.8-inch AMOLED display with an 89% screen to body ratio. The image quality is phenomenal. The colors look great. They're very vibrant. So any type of media that you watch on this phone is going to look fantastic. You're also getting a 120 Hz refresh rate, which makes navigating the phone and all your favorite apps extremely easy. As far as gaming, that 120 Hz refresh rate, along with the Snapdragon 8 chip and 8 GB of RAM, is going to go a long way. So this phone is going to stand up to any intense gaming that you plan to do. As far as cameras, you're getting a quadruple camera setup with a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera, a 108 megapixel wide camera, a 10 megapixel telephoto camera, and a 10 megapixel super telephoto camera. And then you're also getting a 40 megapixel front facing camera. When it comes to video, you're getting 4K up to 60 frames per second, and you also have the option to shoot 8K 24 frames per second. But for me, I prefer to shoot 4K majority of the time. So let's go ahead and take a look at some sample images and video from the S22 Ultra.